Today's a special day. I'll be running with my big brother, Albert. He'll be joining us for our 5K race at the Montreal Beneva.
The first time we did it was 10 years ago. And we're back.
We are running to celebrate and carry forward the legacy of our beloved sister, Nalie, who was a beacon of hope and strength, who inspired us to live our life to the fullest and be our greatest self. Nalie dedicated her life to help thrivers just like her, and now we want to continue her mission with the Nalie Foundation. My brother is back at the start line 10 years later. It's gonna be a challenging one, but he got this.
This is our first run together in 10 years. 1K, 4 to go.
Albert has been on his fitness journey for a good part of a year now, and this summer he felt ready to tackle his first 5K in over a decade in honor of our sister Nalie.
It's killing it.
At 3K, when things started to feel rough, we got a little push from our angel.
A runner, he said, "Are you Nalie's brothers?" He said, "I'm a survivor." He's a survivor. Gave me hope.
She's a cancer survivor who our sister inspired. All of a sudden, that energy came right back, and he finished the race strong. Thank you, Nalie.
4.